Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make mochi. So first I'm going to combine my rice flour, then sugar, then my water, and I'm going to whisk it until it's smooth. Once smooth, then I'm going to cover it with cling film or saran wrap, and I'm going to put it into the microwave for a minute on full power. Then I'm going to repeat and place back into the microwave for another minute and stir well with a wet spatula. Then I'm going to add my food colouring, cover again with cling film, add it back to the microwave, but only for 30 seconds on full power this time. Then I'm going to place some parchment paper onto a work surface and then add some corn flour to stop the dough from sticking. Then I will add the dough and dust with some more corn flour and roll out into a rectangle. I will place this into the fridge for at least half an hour just so that the dough can firm up. Then I'm going to create 6 balls using my hands, but you can use an ice cream scoop. Place it back into the freezer. You can take your dough out of the fridge and you can start to place your ice cream into the center of the mochi and just fold it in very gently. I had a spare egg tray, so what I'm doing is I'm putting them into food bags to help them hold their shape. Then I'm going to set them on the tray and put them into the freezer just like so. I let this set in the freezer for approximately 2 hours, and just before serving you can leave them to set or leave them out for about 3 minutes just so that they become a little bit softer, and then it's completed. Now I repeated this recipe again and I added some salted caramel essence into the actual dough itself, and it was amazing, and the ice cream that I used was also salted caramel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if it was helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye!